CYPRES How-To: Traveling with a Rig. A CYPRES-equipped rig may be transported in freight and passenger airplanes without restrictions. All its components, as well as the complete system, contain parts and materials that are approved by US DOT and other agencies worldwide, and are not subject to any transport regulations. The Parachute Industry Association and the USPA have worked with the Transportation Security Agency concerning traveling with parachutes. You can refer to USPA's website for the latest recommendations and documents. Depending on the size of your rig, you can either check it or carry it on board as hand luggage. If you do choose to carry it on, be aware of your handles. It is best if you can find a way to secure them so they do not get dislodged while traveling. You can have a rigger make you some brightly colored Velcro pockets to cover your handles. The bright orange covers we use helps remind us to take them off before jumping when we get to the DZ. In case of questions or objections of the airport security personnel, we recommend having a few documents on hand. We will leave a link to these in the description below. If questioned about the AAD, inform the security agent that it is a safety device that activates the reserve parachute in the event you are unable to. The CYPRES X-ray card shows a complete rig with AAD. Depending on the type and design of your rig, the X-ray on the security screen may vary. Taking a couple of minutes to educate a TSA agent is a much better outcome than the alternative. Though challenging at times, try to remain calm and respectful with airport staff. Avoid giving them a reason to open the container, as this will make your travel much more difficult, if not impossible.